Getting ready for school success is more than buying school supplies. Kids are about to walk into a classroom of 18 to 25 other children and may not have participated in an instructional environment before. They need to know what to do. Clear and simple things like minding the teachers, staying with the group, and using calm bodies and calm voices. Kids in Transition to School, best known as KITS, supplies kids, educators, and parents with evidence-based solutions for success in the classroom. Teachers say it's a game changer.
We hit the ground running because a lot of the kids had done it, and there are so many that were involved in KITS that they just help pull the other kiddos up by their bootstraps. They teach each other it quickly, and so I find that instead of spending all that time, we've laid the legwork, and now we get to really start learning instead of getting ready to learn.
I'm actually already listening.
KITS training and tools provide skills that help educators establish a positive classroom culture from the first day of school. Kids learn the skills imperative to classroom and social behavior. Parents learn how to support their kids and collaborate with their schools.
KITS is pretty unique in that it really focuses on the kindergarten family. It's not just focusing on a student or a reading skill, it's focusing on the whole child and the whole family and how they can all work together to make that child have the most successful year that they can.
Kids hit the ground running in their new school year. Educators are equipped with proven strategies to create a successful classroom environment. Parents send their kids to school confident that the healthy relationships between home and school will build healthy kids. All of this combined contributes to a successful school culture. Kids feel confident and arrive ready to learn. Teachers employ a positive approach and experience less classroom stress. Educators enjoy more collaborative experiences. In addition to all of this, healthy relationships are built with kids, family, and staff. When you adopt the KITS program into your district, you supply educators with the power to improve not only their classroom and school culture, but also to transform the lives of families and kids. Take the opportunity now to empower your school staff and provide families with important skills that support their children and your school. You will give kids a chance for a successful trajectory in school and in life. Every kid is worth it. Every kid can shine.